Glossary of Somatic Terms curated by Zoran the Dragonzaran's opening words. Little human, your body speaks in a language older than words, one of sensations, rhythms, and movements. But to understand it, you must first learn its vocabulary. Here is your lexicon, a treasure hoard of terms to illuminate your somatic journey. Allen meant the harmonious organization of the body's structure, where bones, muscles, and joints are properly aligned to support movement and balance. Zoran's insight. Alignment is your body's way of whispering, we are ready to stand tall, fight fiercely, and rest deeply. Annamaya Kosha from yogic philosophy, the first sheath of the human body, representing the physical or material body. It is the layer of flesh, bones, and cells. Application. Understanding this kosha helps bring awareness to the physical body as the foundation of somantics. Etchine meant the process of becoming finely tuned to your body's sensations, emotions, and rhythms, as well as to those of others in a relational context. Zoran's reflection. Just as I attune my wings to the wind before flight, you must attune your senses to the whispers of your soma. Breathwork, a practice of using conscious breathing patterns to regulate the nervous system, release tension, and enhance mental clarity. Examples. Techniques like diaphragm breathing, alternate nostril breathing, or Zoran's ember breath for calming storms within. Embodiment, lived experience of being fully present in the body, where physical sensations and emotions are recognized, acknowledged, and integrated. Zoran's wisdom. To embody is to remember that your body is not a cage, it is a flame. Energy fields, electromagnetic or energetic fields that surround and permeate the body, often referenced in practices like Qigong, Reiki, or energy healing. Fascia, connective tissue that wraps around muscles, bones, and organs, playing a key role in movement, stability, and sensation. Fun fact, fascia adapts to your habits, holding tension from repetitive movements or stress. Flow stadia, state of complete immersion in an activity, where the body and mind are fully engaged and time seems to disappear. Zoran's advice. When dragons fly, we do not think of the clouds, we become the wind. Grounding's practice of connecting with the earth through physical sensations like planting your feet firmly, fostering stability and presence. Application. Techniques like the claw energy grounding help anchor you in the moment. Interoception. The ability to sense and interpret internal bodily signals, such as hunger, heartbeat, or emotional tension. Importance. Interoception strengthens the dialogue between body and mind, aiding in emotional regulation. Koshas layers or sheaths that compose the human being in yogic philosophy. 1. Annamaya kosha, physical body. 2. Pranamaya kosha, energy body. 3. Manamaya kosha, mental body. 4. Vijnamaya kosha, wisdom body. 5. Anandamaya kosha, bliss body. Zoran's view. Think of these as scales, each one revealing a deeper truth. Microcosmic orbited Taoist meditation practice that circulates energy along two key channels in the body, the governing vessel back and conception vessel front, creating a continuous energetic loop. Application in somantics. Activates and harmonizes energy for balance and vitality. Mirror neurons, specialized brain cells that respond when we perform an action or observe someone else doing the same. These neurons facilitate empathy and social connection. Zoran's reflection. When one dragon roars, another's heart quivers. So too do your neurons echo another's story. Pendulation, a technique from somatic experiencing that alternates focus between areas of tension and ease in the body, allowing for gradual release of stress or trauma. Application. A safe and gentle way to process overwhelming sensations. Polyvagal theory framework developed by Dr. Stephen Porges that explains how the vagus nerve influences emotional regulation and the body's response to stress. Zoran's simplification. Your vagus nerve is like a dragon's tail comet, and the whole beast softens. Prana, Sanskrit term for life force, or vital energy that flows through the body's energetic pathways nadis. Applications in somantics. Breathing techniques like pranayama help direct prana for healing and balance. Proprioception. The body's sense of its position and movement in space, guided by sensory receptors in muscles and joints. Importance. Proprioception is essential for balance, coordination, and spatial awareness. Somatic experiencing SE, a trauma healing modality developed by Peter Levine that focuses on releasing stored stress through body awareness and movement. Somatics, a field of study and practice that emphasizes the body as central to the human experience, exploring the interplay of sensation, emotion, and action. Somantics, a creative term blending soma body and semantics meaning, emphasizing the art of interpreting physical sensations and translating them into purposeful action. Zoran's definition. Somantics is the dragon's language, a union of breath, movement, and fire. Synchroniseth, coordination of multiple body systems working together to produce purposeful movement. Example, the alignment of breath, muscle activation, and intention while reaching for an object. Tamawa, Tibetan meditation practice, meaning inner fire that generates heat through breath and visualization. Application. Focuses on the navel region to release tension and ignite energy. Vagus nerve is main component of the parasympathetic nervous system, which regulates stress, digestion, and emotional balance. Activating the vagus nerve through breathwork and movement promotes relaxation. Conclusion. Speaking the body's language. Zoran's final words. Learning these terms is the first step to reclaiming the stories your body tells. Speak them not as a scholar, but as a flame-tongued being ready to roar.